Hi there, Jamie Keat here today at Teachers Tech. Over the last few days, I've gotten some questions about how do you make sure in Google Meet that a student can't join early before you're there, or when it's all done, how do we make sure that all of them can be out after you stop the Google Meet? So I want to show you a setup today that can help you do this, control it, where you can make sure that they're not joining early, and when it's done, you can make sure they're out. So let's get started today on Teachers Tech. So just so you know, there are changes that need to be made to the Google admin settings. So you need your Google administrator to take care of these changes. At the end of this video, I'll show where those settings are and also do a link to the Google site where it tells you what to click. But in this, I want to give you a demo how you can control everything. So we're going to start with that. Okay, so I have a couple of windows open here. In this first example, on the left is my, let's say, my teacher window, and this is where I'm going to start a meeting. And on the right is going to be my first student. So normally we would go ahead and I'm just going to give it a nickname here. And just so you know, these settings that I'm going to show you, the change, you have to be within the same organization too. So you can't be sending this out outside the organization. They would have to be using their school email. Now I'm going to go ahead and just get this ready, Keat demo. But in the old way, even before, I haven't started this yet, I haven't hit continue. If the old way, they could type this in and then just get in there. If they know the code or the code or nickname to get in, they could be there waiting for you. So if I go ahead and join this one now, they can get in there. Now we want to stop that from happening. And so I'm going to show you now, I'm just going to minimize this. I'm going to just back up one. I'm going to minimize this window. Now this one right here is the new way here. Let me just stretch this out. So now if I go up here and it says use a meeting code, so you can see it's different already. I just can't join. I could go ahead and type in Keat demo and you'll see what happens now. Continue. And I'm not in. You're not allowed to start a meeting. With the changes made in the admin, it doesn't allow the students to start a meeting this way. So if I go ahead this time though and hit continue over here, you'll see, so there I am as the teacher. If I use the meeting again, I'll just type in Keat demo and hit continue. And since I've already started this, now I can go ahead and join, and this person can join. I'm just turning off my volumes on those ones. So both people are in. This is the teacher over here. This is the student. Now, what do you do in case you want them to leave at the end? So when your meeting is done, watch what happens now. So as the teacher, if I just go over top of the participants here, and this is going to be the demo Keegan over here, I can drop down, hit this, and remove them from here. Now you'll see that it is gone. So return to home screen on it. If I go ahead and I'm going to hang up on this side now, and I'll just return to my home screen. If they try to go back in, they know the demo code. So if we go type in Keat demo again, they can't go in. So once you boot them out that way, they're able to, you're able to keep them out. Now you don't have to change your code. The meeting won't start until you start it up at that point. So this is where I do find there's a glitch in this too. So if all of a sudden the students decide to take this code out right here, and copy it maybe before it was done, and then the teacher goes ahead and kicks out the people. So I'm just going to kick out this one person here and remove them, so the person's gone. Even if they return home back to their home screen and say the teacher leaves out, if they've copied that link and they go back in right away, so if they paste it, look what happens. Now this shouldn't happen, but there is a buffer, so it doesn't delete automatically. So as a tip for the teacher, so what I would do is make sure you copy that code in again and just paste it over here if you wanted to check in, and then join the meeting. and you can see the person's already in there, and you can go through and kick the person out, so you can go check and see if anybody is in it. So that's just what I noticed is a little bit of a glitch sometimes. What happens, and I'll just wait a few moments and I'll get what happens after a few minutes of waiting though. So now I've only waited maybe about 90 seconds, and I'm going to try this again, and I'm going to paste that same code back in there, hit enter. Notice what happened. This meeting code you entered doesn't work. So just so you know, there's this slight buffering in there. If the students went back immediately after you left, it might be open. It has this, 1 minute or 2 minute. I'm not sure the exact timing on it, but do copy that over, and you can go check if anybody went back in the meeting. Now I'm just going to show you, go into the admin settings and show you where you can quickly make this change to happen inside Google Admin. Here's the link to the G Suite admin help, and this kind of goes through the setup right here. So I'll put the link down in the description too if you're admin. I'm going to just move over to my admin side of it. And remember, you do have to ask your admin if this is something that works with them. But I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go to my apps on this, and I'm going to go inside my G Suite apps. And you can see there's the Hangouts Meet. And this is the section that we need to change this video calling. So if I click on the video calling on it, you can see if I go down video calling. Now this is, you got to make sure you have the group set. So if I go ahead, is there certain groups that you want this to apply to? So if I was, if this is a students thing, and it depends on how you have it set up. So you could, depending on user or groups, if I go into here and click the little pencil, let users place video and voice calls, just click that off and then go ahead and hit save. You can see how I have students. So now that's how the setting was changed. If I go in there, they're not able to start from there. Now remember, this has to be within the organization. You can't be trying to get people to join your nickname from outside the organization. They're going to need to be part of that email on it. So I hope this tip works. Ask your admin if this is something that they can put in, because I know I've had a lot of people ask me about that. Remember that buffer zone there. Maybe they'll fix that, but I noticed it's about a minute or so. So I hope you liked what you saw today on Teachers Tech. Remember, I do weekly tech tips and tutorials. Let me know what type of things you're looking for. Besides that, I'll see you next time on Teachers Tech.